Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We are going to take into the last two boxes of fidgets. It was a domestic clean. So, because we have one of these puzzle things, I'm not getting in this part because I don't think I'll be able to put it back together. See? Next we have monkey noodles. These things I love. They're like unicorns. Unicorn. And see on the button, see there's like a hole right here. See it? Trying to make you see. See there's a hole. This goes on your pencil. We have more unicorns. We have another fidget spinner. Can't even see it. Look at its dark. We have a marble mesh. Monkey noodles. Attack! We have another one of these things, a mini keychain version. Never keep it on your backpack. You never know what will happen. A pea popper that's still not easy to pop for some reason. We have one of these spinner things. Just supposed to make an astronaut look like it's going round and round. Doesn't work at all. We have more monkey noodles. We have more unicorn monkey noodles. More monkey noodles. So many. Okay, something marble mesh. Something that's not whatever. We have another infinity cube. Let's go on for infinity, and they're actually fun. More fidget spinners. Another weird looking one, and another normal looking one. Next is pea poppers. Oh, these are easy to push. Ready? Yeah, these are easy to pop. So we got more whatever the marble mesh. I'm seeing so far away so you're actually able to see it. You see just pile. Gosh, I have such a mess to clean. Another wonky looking fidget spinner with whatever thing called stuck on it. A pea popper and a weird looking fidget spinner again. Be a little pea popper. Pea popper, blue fidget spinner, and blue monkey noodle. So many. Then we have this weird puzzle solve thing. Open up again. Open up. See? Puzzle solving things. They're not even a fidget. No, they are a fidget. Don't. So, and then we have another root. This is another fidget spinner that broke, sadly. See if you can see, but it's a popular one as well. That's the worst. Okay, that's up with this box. Oh no. What happened? Get in there. The handle broke off. Okay. We got a fidget spinner. It's my dad's favorite sports team. Yeah. And this one, it looks like a wheel, and that's what I love to do with it. No, it's a pop-up one, so it's good. Oh. And there goes John Cena! Okay. Stop messing around. Last box. This is called the Fidget Rama. My favorite ever fidget is this thing. It has a bunch of different ones. You spin this, do this, do this, do this. Now we have one of these things. Bleh, bleh. I don't know what these things are. I guess they're fidgets. And I have slime. That's plenty. It's mostly plenty, but yeah, it's plenty. It's dried up slime though, so it doesn't really work, but keeping it. one of my other favorite ones. This is another keychain. More of these things. Oh, how I love it. We have a sequin thing keychain. Yes, this is a fidget if you don't know. We have homemade slime right here. You might not know these. You might not know them. Obviously, you won't know them. So this is coffee and this is caramel. They're my little things. I love them. I really want more. Have these little emoji guys things. I don't know what they are. We have more of these things. Weird whatever things. No, they're not. And slimes. They're really good slime. This is a really nice slime. Actually. Not going to take it out of its egg dome thing, though. Nothing. Now, one of these squishy things. This mouse turns on and just vibrates when it's out of battery, sadly. And that is all of my fidgets. Let me take you guys. Can't even see it. I don't know. You can't see it. Bye. I hope you all had a wonderful day or night. See ya.